Imagine you're the head of a large sales network with over 200 agents with case-to-case commission payments. It's a bustling environment. Here's where things get tricky. As the tax season rolls in, you find yourself faced with over 200 agents' CP58 reports to prepare, one CP58 for each agent. It's a cumbersome task to sum up 12 months' payments and filling out this statutory form, and it is so tedious and bounces to errors and omissions. But now, let me share the twist in the tale. You stumble upon SQL CP58 auto-generation and email module, and it's a remarkable solution. With just one click, you can generate all 200 reports at once with bulk email to each agent directly, just as simple as a mouse-clicking effort. Join me as we explore how SQL CP58 module streamlines the process. It's not just a tool, it's your shortcut to getting all your reports with ease. Differences between CP58 and CP107D. Now, let's look at the differences between CP58 and CP107D, two important forms you should know about to stay on track with your reporting. As we look at this chart, you can see the big differences between CP58 and CP107D. CP58 has a reporting deadline of March 31st each year, while CP107D doesn't have a specific deadline but requires you to submit a 2% withholding tax within 30 days of payment. CP58's report includes details about both money and non-monetary incentives, while CP107D focuses on the 2% withholding tax. How to process CP58, CP107, or CP107D Lampiron in SQL Accounting. To print out CP58, CP107D and their respective Lampiron reports, follow these steps. Go to Supplier, then select Print Supplier Document, Interbank Giro, Listing. Under Document Type, you may select Supplier Payment Listing on the right side. There is a group sort by a box. Ensure that the supplier code option is checked. You can also apply filters based on your preferences. Finally, click Apply to preview the report. Next, you will see both reports CP58 and CP107D. Usage Tips. Hey, nevertheless, I'm here to provide you with some helpful tips. To ensure that the CP107D report is successfully printed out, you must follow these steps. First, issue the supplier payment as usual. Next, make sure to knock off each of the supplier invoices by a minimum of 2 payment vouchers. One of these payment vouchers is intended for the normal payment to the agent, and it should be processed after deducting the withholding tax amount, with the Is Withholding Tax Payment option unticked. Remember, with tick or check the option of No Withholding Tax Payment is for report CP58 only. For the second payment voucher, it should be specifically designated for withholding tax payment and marked with the Is Withholding Tax Payment option ticked. By diligently following these steps, you will be able to easily generate the CP107D report. Step for one-time setting for CP58 and CP107D. Let's kick things off by getting our Maintain Supplier section in great condition. Within the CP58 tab, you'll find everything you need to make sure all the right info shows up in your report. Next up, we're going to tackle Maintain User. This is all about getting your team's contact details and designations sorted out. Once you've got these two things sorted, you're all set to hit that button and generate your CP58 and CP107D reports. It's as easy as pie. Remember, time is a valuable asset in today's fast-paced business world, and every click saved is a step towards enhanced efficiency. With CP58 and CP107D module, you're not just meeting statutory requirements, you're freeing up your team to focus on what truly matters, growing your business.